Subtle echoes of time's embrace. Each shadow finds its quiet space in the flow of light, a tender trace binds the soul to this serene place. Let it go, let it be, like a river rolling free. In the silence you will see